world of DIYA. This is Techno Central, your weekly dose of technology from around the world. I, DIYA, will be your host for the show. Now joining us live is our DIYA mentor.
3 Doodler Start Essential Set. Is 2D not enough for you? With the 3 Doodler Start Essential Set, maybe it isn't it? We will now be able to make our pictures come alive with a pen like this. The pen is simple to use with an on-off switch and a button for operation, and with it we can create absolutely anything we want. We can make houses, fences, robots, spaceships, or even something new and magical that we have never seen before.
Townew is a smart trash can that can self-seal and self-change without you having to touch the garbage bags multiple times. All you have to do is hold the button for 3 seconds for the bag to seal so that you can pick it up with ease without having to go into contact with the trash on the inside. And it will then go on to replacing it with a new garbage cover. It is simple, hygienic, and safe to use. They are designed for small spaces and are waterproof. The covers are made with HDPE material, which is safe for the environment.
On that note, signing off is DIYA from DIYA, and we are on a mission to equip students with futuristic technologies. If this is up your alley, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified by Techno Central every week. And if you found this video informative, do like, share and comment.